Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own homemade taco seasoning. This taco seasoning is really simple. You only need 7 ingredients and it's 10 times better than the stuff you get in the store in the packets. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what all 7 ingredients are. For the seasoning, we are going to need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 4 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 3 teaspoons of salt, and 4 teaspoons of ground cumin. Now all we're gonna do is take all of our ingredients, mix them up in a bowl. If you don't wanna mix them up like this, you can easily put them in a little jar with a lid, and shake them up, and it'll be good to go. Let's get this mixed up. Now you can transfer this into an airtight container or into a bag for a couple weeks. Now to use this as taco seasoning, you can fry up a pound of ground beef or whatever meat you prefer. 1 pound to 2 tablespoons of this. So this recipe itself will get you about 2 pounds. Now you can definitely sprinkle this on popcorn, chips, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna cook up some tacos and then we're gonna give this a taste. I'll see you when they're done. And that is our homemade taco seasoning. Let's get a bite. Oh yeah. That's money right there. This is so good. Now you're gonna wanna follow the instructions on a package. For every 2 tablespoons, you're gonna use 3/4 a cup of water. I'm telling you, make this, try this. It's so good. It tastes familiar, but it's really different than the stuff that you get in the packets. It's really to die for. If you enjoyed this recipe, smash that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Thanks for stopping in. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. We'll see you next time.